Oh, we should have like a thing for bloopers. Here, wait, let me see. Is it recording? No. These are the bloopers. These are the bloopers. Audio. These are the bloopers. These are the bloopers.
Yeah, sure. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Cass, and today I'm here with the Dixon Pho, and we're filming a film. Post for the thumbnail.
This is gonna be the thumbnail.
We're filming a comedy, dramedy film. You guys are gonna see the finished results when we finish. I have my sister Sydney here, who will be an actress. My brother Ian, who will be another actor, and my brother Alec, who is directing this film. So let's get it. 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 Let's get it, everybody. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, y'all. So, actors, y'all dressed or whatever.
Yeah.
Great.
You know who that is? My Hero Academia.
Cool.
Huh?
Let's do some rehearsal.
Ian, oh my gosh, there's a bug in my room. It's huge. It's the size of the whole room. I don't know. And you'll be like, oh my gosh. And then we'll both run and he'll be like, where is it? And I'll be like, it's right there. He's like, I don't see anything. Oh, it's right there. Oh my god. It's right there. It's giant.
You gotta like be naturally now.
I am
Use
natural.
your like not on the game. Like your focus is on him.
So she just walks in and looks at him.
What he's doing. Just what?
Actually playing video games. Mom, this is what he's doing instead of his work.
Oh, so I don't walk in.
he looks so guilty.
That's just left.
Yeah, nah. Alright, she held the face. Alright, so let's practice the script.
You can kill a bug in my room.
Let's practice.
No, you.
Ian, can you kill a bug in my room?
No, you just say there's a bug around, so I say okay.
Okay.
If you say you kill it, I'm saying okay. Wait, how do I say okay?
Okay.
Okay. Why don't you do it?
I tried.
I'm playing Fortnite.
What?
I finished the battle pass for $100, $50. $100.
I tried.
I tried.
I tried. I tried.
I'm literally lagging so bad I killed him like. I shot him like 15 seconds after it killed him.
Are we ready?
I shot you and you shot him. Wait, what?
Are we ready?
Let me see. Do that.
Well, I can't do it that fast.
Well, we don't have to do that fast because it's gonna cut to Ian. So just do this and do it as fast as you can.
Rolling.
Wait.
Sydney, what are you doing?
We haven't even rehearsed it yet.
Okay, golly.
Oh.
Wait. I can't kick my foot that high. Oh, you're sweaty.
Excuse me, I'm not even sweating.
Well, you're making me sweat.
Anyways. Okay, are we good with the first location?
Yeah, sure.
These are the bloopers.
Yeah, sure.
Don't move anything.
Don't move
Just in
anything.
case. There's always just in case.
So we're taking a break before the bathroom scene?
Yep.
Alright, hurry up and eat before no one wants to come back. Sydney. Come back in weird.
I was getting closer with my eye. It's weird when I'm getting closer to this. I'm not getting closer.
batteries in the meantime, in between time.
This is my ear.
Excuse me? Not with that attitude, Sydney. Ew.
What?
Don't breathe on my
I
camera.
wasn't breathing.
You're definitely breathing.
I'm not breathing.
You're gonna give my camera corona.
Don't breathe.
Alright, so we're about to film the spider scene. Ouch.
What were we filming?
The spider scene.
Spider scene. There's like 15 of them now.
The main spider scene.
Which one is that? I kind of forgot since there's like 15 of them now.
When Sydney walks in and sees the spider.
Oh.
Wait, so am I doing that thing where I attack it and there's like a montage?
Not yet. You're just gonna walk in and see the spider. If we film the montage, it'll be last.
Go, 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 go.
Win. Okay, tell the boys to come on this side.
Hey boys, come on this side.
Move it. Stop stepping on the spider.
Asha?
Not today. Turn on the lights too. And then just turn them off.
Oh.
Sydney, what? Yeah, she's like, just opens the door.
Okay.
Nope.
Turn on the light. Turn on the light, yeah.
Okay. Wait.
Excuse me. Would not keep Siri super clear.
Come through main door only.
Yeah, people like to walk through my bathroom door, like it's a door that they can walk through.
Right here?
Yes.
That's so weird. Hey, Cassie, can I borrow some?
Should probably write down all the shots that we're gonna take.
Sorry.
Like a shot list or something.
You look like a cowboy.
Well, if Sunny's out here saying she just saw this.
Even if she knew it was you, it'd be creepy.
What's your...
It's like the Alan, you remember that thing? That was like thing. I don't know if it was on YouTube channel or if it was on Nick.
That thing?
It's like
Good description.
the all black cowboy and the all white cowboy and they're like enemies.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, finally someone cast me.
Mad.
I was asking you, you were like, I know what you're talking about.
Okay, so for the second ending, Sydney's not seeing things. So what will happen? Ian gets we have a close up of Ian picking up the hair, and then he suddenly looks up, or he slowly looks up, just like a bird's eye view shot. Oh, the spider falls on him,
Yeah.
and then that causes the blackout to end this scene.
It should be Cindy walking out the same way she walked out when she saw it.
Like whenever I see the spider,
Mm-hmm.
it's not gonna be hair, right? I'm just not gonna see it.
No, he's gonna see hair.
You're gonna see hair.
And you'd be like, this? She's like, no,
Oh, okay.
there. And you'd be like,
Yeah,
She
whatever.
like
Yeah,
there.
I don't believe. Okay.
like,
Renegade, renegade, renegade.
I know this and this.
You don't know this part?
Okay.
Actually, I just made that up.
action.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Where?
You don't see that giant spider right there?
Where do you
You're
see
staring
a
right-
giant
You're
spider?
staring right at it.
There's nothing there.
Yes,
There's
is.
nothing there.
Yes,
There's
is.
nothing there.
You don't see it?
There's nothing there.
Yes, there is.
Okay.
Action.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Where?
It's right there.
Where?
You're looking right at it.
There's nothing there.
You don't see that giant spider?
Where do you see a giant spider?
Right there
Where?
on the floor. On the floor.
How big is it?
Right in front of the toilet.
I don't
It's
see anything.
Huge. It's
I don't
the size
see
of the
anything.
entire room.
I don't see anything.
Well,
I don't see
look.
anything.
You don't see
I
that?
don't see anything.
It's huge.
I don't see
Its
anything.
legs are as long as your arms.
What do I say again?
Put that
All
down.
this.
Are you,
The big spider.
are you talking about this? Hello, select your line.
Sydney.
She's fired. Action.
No, wait.
No. Okay.
Ah.
Sydney.
Oh
Aye, aye, Captain.
Camera rolling. On your cue, director.
Action.
Sydney, act like you're trying to get it off of you. Actually, get it off of you. Okay, go back. Put it back. Okay, put it back on you. Okay.
Help! Help! Get it off, Ian! Ah! It's attacking me! Ouch! This hurts! The floor. Typically, when there's something on me, I'm not on the floor.
Ian walking up.
Well, that's how
last
dramatic.
scene, Like right here, I guess.
Like he steps over her.
Yeah, step over and
Okay.
walk out of the room.
Okay, let's do that. Ian, are you good?
Like Ian helping me.
Ian, what are you doing?
Are you crying?
All right, come on. So Ian.